Okay, this video is going to be about gravitational attraction. So we've got two masses, one here and let's say one over here, but their centers are 2.6 meters apart. And the force between the balls, so this force and this force of attraction, F, we say F is equal to 2.75 times 10 to the power of negative 12 newtons. Okay? And the mass of one ball, so let's call this A and let's call this B, MA is equal to 2 times the mass of B. Okay? The question is, what is the mass of each ball? That's the question. So find MA and find MB. Okay, so the force of by the way, this is the same F, right? Third law, for every action there's an equal and opposite reaction. You cannot have different forces on these two masses. If two things are pulling each other, they have to pull each other with the same force. If two things are pushing each other, they have to push each other with the same force, regardless of how much mass each one has. So, let's go. Force of gravity is equal to G M A M B all over R squared. However, now we can replace MA with 2 MB and multiply that by MB and divide that by R squared. And we also know what the force of gravity is. It's that. So let's do a little bit of algebra first, and let's solve for MB. So what we've got there is MB squared is equal to FG. Now, you want to take the 2 and the G and the R squared and move them over to the other side of the equal sign. So it would be R squared on top now and 2G on the bottom. And if we work that out, we're going to get the force FG was 2.75 10 to the negative 12. Multiplied by the radius, 2.6. By the way, make sure that's center to center. Divided by 2 times 6.67 10 to the negative 11. And that's going to give us 2.75 EE negative 12. Enter 2.6 squared times 2 divided by 6.67 EE negative 11 divided by. And we're getting an answer of now that, remember, this is not the final answer because this is MB squared. So we have to, I'm getting approximately 0.14 kilograms squared. So therefore, in order to get the final answer, we need to take the square root. And finally, I get MB is equal to 0.37 kilograms. And therefore, I now know MA, since MA is 2 times MB, So multiply that by 2, and I get 0.75 approximately. Okay, 7466. And that's the end of the problem. Thanks for watching.